Hey guys, welcome back to our cute world of creativity and positivity. Today's drawing is super special. We are going to make an angel heart with wings. But wait, today is not just a day, it's 11:11. You know what they say about 11:11? It's a moment when the universe listens your heart wish. So when I looked at the clock and saw 11:11, I thought, let's draw a heart that can fly with dreams. This angel heart is like a wish with wings. It carries love, hope, and little sparkle of magic. So grab your pen, paper, and let's create something that feels like a wish come true. And there it is, my creative cuties, our beautiful angel heart, glowing with love and flying with dreams. You know, every time you draw something with love, the universe smiles a little, just like 11:11 reminds us to believe in our wish. So if you made a wish while drawing, keep it close. It might just be on its way to you. So take care, like this video and share with your friends. Till then, bye bye.